This looks so good. Some good ass food. Amazing. Really chill day today. We're just having breakfast, early morning breakfast, it's 11, so it's like brunch at Marcel. It's a beautiful view. Mom, move your head. But we're having some hot chocolate, Swiss hot chocolate. We got the Norwegian with salmon, smoked salmon. And then my hot chocolate is here. Extra hot cappuccino. What did you get? Toast and boiled egg, and then the halloumi fries, and then the waffles. Look at the waffles. It is absolutely insane. Look at that. It looks amazing. That shit's bussin'. I gotta say, the best thing, this is literally Eggs Benedict. It's different in Switzerland. I've forgotten my name. He said that's me and my friends on a night out. Oh, that one is you. The one flying is what he's doing.
After a shot at tequila.
Let's go there first. I bought this mitten from Zara. This was 1,000 Thai baht. Damn.
Mama.
Yeah, born. Hey. It's the Four Seasons. Yeah, it's not that big of a deal. Like, you can literally jump in. You can literally swim. Yeah. Hotel is owned by my family. I have something to tell everyone. We've been hiding this for a really long time. Yeah, Pavni's adopted. This is my car. The Rolls, the Royce. We're at La Durée. Thank you. Look at them. Oh my god. The fondant. Wow. Good. Bye bye. So this is the hot chocolate already. Got the hot chocolate. By the way. Swans don't really like Alfie. There's a bee. Sam, there's a bee on you. It's literally on you, Sam. On the streets.
Oh, this is drinkable. This is drinkable, by the way.
But like, how am I supposed to drink it?
You personally.
Wow. So in Geneva, you can drink the water.
She drowned.
This is the old wall of the city of Geneva from like a couple hundred years ago.
Okay.
And it used to be like a fortress before the whole other thing. And it was like imagine like a castle, you know, like in a fortress. Like a moat. To protect from outsiders.
So it is very hot right now.
Yeah.
But
Hey guys, so we're gonna go through the park now.
Oh, sulking.
Oh, Nui. He's tired.
oh, he's tired. He's tired. We're heading to the restaurant. The Four Seasons is over there. That's my house. And the Rolex store. That's my grandfather's place. 50K. 50K Thai baht for that's the cheapest room in the Four Seasons.
What?
Yeah, it's 55K Thai baht. Oh my god. He's pissed off, dude. That's great. We're at a fondue restaurant, a classic French fondue restaurant. So we got a Greek salad, ginger tea, potatoes, pickles, and bread, and a salmon, raw salmon. And our view is literally the most beautiful view. This is the view. Our fondue has arrived with bread.
I love what I'm experiencing here.
Let's get this bread.
This is a classic Swiss. Is it?
Swiss.
Yes.
It's a video. This is how.
This is how the Swiss
eat
cheese.
How? Show them.
Do this. Mm-hmm. What do I have to do?
Okay, eat it.
I thought you said a dare.
So what cheese is it? Yummy.
No.
Yummy. Harry, show him how it's done.
It's
Gruyere, I think there's a bit, no?
wrap that.
Okay, you wrap that shit.
It's
And then you
It's gruyere. It's
Chicken. Okay, having it. I know I'm having it. Just a bit. Just
Cheese
a bit.
is finishing.
You know when we were here with Amrik and Alma, we had 2 cheese pots and we finished both?
guys, look.
2 cheese pots.
This is the perfect.
จริงเหรอ
มันขึ้นได้
ขึ้นได้เหรอโอ้ shit เดี๋ยวเปลี่ยนที่ได้ไหมได้
Cheers. Ow! What's your favorite thing about Geneva? What is your favorite thing about Geneva?
Eternity later.
Nice sister.
Alright, we got chicken, we got fries, we got popcorn chicken, we got sweet potato fries, we got a Caesar salad with chicken, we got normal Caesar salad, and then we got nothing for Sam. Post food coma. We're currently in Bourgogne and they have a mini nail bar.
Yeah, Alfie wanted to get a Jacquemus bag, so...
They have self-portrait here. How much is that only? There's Ajay. Oh, there's Solas London. This is beautiful. Some really nice dresses.
So it's more like a treat.
So taking videos of herself.
Influenza.
So if you guys didn't know,
He doesn't want me to live.
my middle name is Jacquemus. This is actually a family. Oh.
Succession. My name Jeff.
You want to see that product?
Trying to see that product.
What? The octopus chocolate. He wanted to see that product. That's my friend.
There's currently showing us her dream bag.
It's not a dream when you can afford it.
I found Victoria Beckham Beauty, and I think I might get one of the contour stylists because I heard that this is a really good pigmented formula. Okay, bear with me on the camera placement because I still don't have a tripod, but I thought I would do a little unboxing because today I went a bit crazy. I was about to get a Jacquemus hat as well, but I stopped myself. Alright, so obviously went to Diesel. I got tempted and I got a bag. I'm actually really excited to show the bag. My mom and my sister didn't like the bag, but I decided to buy it anyway because I really liked it. I'm gonna show you guys the bag because it's actually insane and I feel like it's so me. Ready? Okay, this is the bag. Let me show you guys. So this is the bag. It's like super sparkly, glittery, and I love it so much. So it's basically like a crossbody bag as well, but this is how it looks like. And let me show you guys like a close-up of it. Like this is literally, look at that, and my nails literally match the bag. And I'm really excited. I'll see you later.